Tonight, a new twist in a legal showdown pitting Kroger against the federal government.
Yeah, the Cincinnati-based grocery chain wanted a judge to say, in effect, that enough already to the Federal Trade Commission. But WLWT News 5's Todd Dykes is here now with why that is the case. Todd?
Yeah, Mike and Sharif, for nearly 2 years now, Kroger's been working to seal a $24.6 billion deal that would add Albertsons grocery stores to its portfolio. The Federal Trade Commission filed a lawsuit to stop the merger and launched a similar administrative proceeding. Now Kroger is saying it doesn't make sense to have two separate showdowns when one should do the trick. The fate of a plan by Kroger to spend billions to buy grocery stores run by Albertsons remains in legal limbo.
I don't expect any resolution of anything anytime soon.
UC economics professor David Brasington says Kroger's merger aspirations are running into headwinds from the Federal Trade Commission.
The environment for the businesses is that you really have to fight the FTC to have a merger.
At the start of the year, the FTC filed a federal lawsuit in Oregon to block the merger. The agency also launched an administrative proceeding against the deal, claiming it would substantially lessen competition and lead to higher grocery prices. In a video supporting Kroger's efforts to grow, the company's CEO Rodney McMullen said the opposite would happen.
Once the merger is closed, we plan to continue important investments to lower prices, enhance the customer experience, and increase associate wages and benefits.
Will Kroger and Albertsons merger lead to economies of scale and the promised cost cuttings, the price cuttings that Kroger has said? It's an empirical question. We don't know yet.
One thing that is clear is that Kroger thinks one showdown in a courtroom is enough. Yesterday, lawyers for the company filed a motion asking a federal judge here in Cincinnati to stop the FTC's administrative proceeding. In a statement, McMullen wants the court to stop what he says, quote, amounts to an unlawful proceeding before the FTC's own in-house tribunal. Now, evidentiary hearings are going to get started on Monday in that Oregon case. When it comes to the motion that Kroger filed here yesterday, the FTC has about 3 weeks to respond. If the motion is unsuccessful, the merger with Albertsons could be in serious jeopardy. Todd Dykes, WLWT News 5.